Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 6 maths on my YouTube channel. Today we will begin chapter 7 symmetry on textbook page number 41. Write the English capital letters A, H, M in a large size on separate sheets of paper. Fold the paper so that their two parts fall exactly on each other. Mark with dots the line which makes two equal parts of the figure. This line is the axis of symmetry of the figure. When you draw middle line on some alphabet letters and on some figures, and if you get two equal parts, it is the axis of symmetry. Look at these three alphabet letters A, H, M. If you draw middle line, it is getting two equal parts in the opposite way. Reflectional symmetry. If a symmetrical figure gets divided by an axis in the figure into two parts which fall exactly on each other, its symmetry is called reflectional symmetry. Some figures have more than one axis of symmetry. The figures below are symmetrical. Observe the figures given below. In first figure having one axis of symmetry because one middle line is drawn and getting two equal parts. If two middle line is drawn and getting two equal parts, it is two axis of symmetry. If three middle lines are drawn and getting two equal parts, it is two axis of symmetry. Remember this. Second figure is alphabet letter A. It is also having one axis of symmetry and is having two equal parts in the opposite way. Third figure is having two axis of symmetry because two middle line is there and getting two equal parts. One is this line getting two equal parts and other is this line getting two equal parts. Now we will do practice set 20 on textbook page number 41. Draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figures below. Which of them has more than one axis of symmetry? First one, if I draw middle line getting two equal parts, one axis of symmetry. If I draw other line getting two equal parts, it is second axis of symmetry. If I draw third line getting two equal parts, it is third axis of symmetry. Figure first is having three axes of symmetry. Next figure, also is having three axes of symmetry. Next figure is having one axis of symmetry. Last one figure is having four axes of symmetry. Here the question is given, which of them has more than one axis of symmetry? Answer is figure 1, figure 2 and figure 4 have more than one axis of symmetry. Next, write the capital letters of the English alphabet in your notebook. Try to draw their axis of symmetry. Which ones have an axis of symmetry? Which ones have more than one axis of symmetry? You have to write all the alphabet letters from A to Z in your notebook. I have already wrote alphabet letters from A to Z. Alphabet letters A, B, C, D, E, H, I, K, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are having an axis of symmetry. Alphabets having more than one axis of symmetry are H, I, O and X. Next, use color, a thread and a folded paper to draw symmetrical shapes. Let's take an example of folded colorful paper. If I fold this colorful paper, it will form symmetrical shape. Look here, I folded this colorful paper. You have to do this activity this way. And it form middle line. You will get two equal parts. And if you draw a middle line, it will form a symmetrical part of this colorful paper. Next, Observe various commonly seen objects such as tree leaves, birds in flight, pictures of historical buildings, etc. Find symmetrical shapes among them and make a collection of them. I will take you an example of these three objects. This is tree leaf, this is bird in flight, and this is historical building. All these three kinds of objects which I shown you, you have to find symmetrical shapes. When you draw middle line on these three objects, it should get two equal parts. This is tree leaf which I drawn middle line, and I am getting here two equal parts. This tree leaf is having one axis of symmetry. This is bird in flight which I drawn here middle line and getting two equal parts. Bird in flight also having and one axis of symmetry. This is historical building which I drawn here middle line, getting two equal parts. This historical building also having and one axis of symmetry. If you understood, practice at 20, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.